box. Number 2 is Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer. Introducing the ultimate game changer for all your home goods dreams, the Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer. Say goodbye to mundane and hello to magnificent as this printer takes DIY to a whole new level. With 90% pre-assembly, diving into 3D printing has never been exciting or effortless. Unleash your creativity with a massive build size of 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches by 15.7 inches. The upgraded triangular structure keeps vibrations at bay, ensuring your creations are as stable as your imagination is boundless. The resume printing function picks up right where it left off, ensuring your masterpiece isn't halted by the unexpected. But let's talk precision and quality. The dual blower kit delivers rapid cooling for impeccable print finishes that'll have your friends wondering if you've tapped into a sci-fi dimension. And that lattice glass platform? Stickiness during printing, easy peasy removal after. It's like a magic trick that never gets old. Longer LK5 Pro isn't just a 3D printer, it's an artist's playground, a designer's secret weapon, and a DIY enthusiast's dream. It's not just a product, it's an experience, a journey into the universe of limitless creation. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.